Vertigo is not the same thing as dizziness or lightheadedness, according to a neurologist. Let's clear up one of the most common medical mix-ups on the internet. What is vertigo? Vertigo is a very specific symptom. It is a false sense of movement, specifically spinning, tilting, or feeling like the room is rotating. You know how when you were a kid, you'd spin around real fast and then stop and then the world would keep spinning? That's vertigo. Fun when you're a kid, not fun when you're an adult. So if you feel faint or woozy or foggy or like you might pass out, that's not vertigo. That's a different kind of dizziness and it comes from a different problem. True vertigo happens when there's a problem in one of two places, either the inner ear, which controls balance, or the brain, which processes balance. The most common cause is BPPV, or benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, which happens when tiny crystals in the inner ear get displaced. That causes brief, intense spinning, particularly when you roll over in bed, look up, or change head position. And if you want a separate video on BPPV, just let me know in the comments. Another ear cause of vertigo is vestibular neuritis or labyrinthitis, aka inflammation of the nerve or the structures in the ear. This often occurs after a viral infection and it causes sudden, severe spinning that can last for days. Then there are the brain causes of vertigo, like vestibular migraine, brainstem or cerebellar problems, and even stroke or multiple sclerosis. So here's the key point. Vertigo is a specific spinning or motion sensation. Dizziness and lightheadedness are not the same thing. So when a doctor asks specific questions about dizziness, lightheadedness, and vertigo, they're trying to figure out which one you're actually experiencing. Because once we define that, we can start narrowing down the real cause and treat it correctly. As always, if you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and follow along for more information from the world of neurology.